Hey there, I'm Chris,
And I'm Ben.
and we are with Swartz Restoration. We are here in Minster, Ohio, and we want to let you know that if you experience any sort of water damage in your home or your business, maybe it's a leaky faucet that ends up getting the floor all wet, or maybe it's a water supply line on your dishwasher or your washing machine and it breaks and leaks down into the basement, or maybe your sump pump backs up, or maybe a storm rolls through the area and causes water damage in your home. We are here to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact.
Absolutely. You know, we've been in business for over 36 years, and it's always been our mission to care for people going through these specific types of disasters, whether it's in a home or a business. We want to care for people going through fire damage, water damage, storm damage. So if you find yourself in one of these situations, feel free to call our office at 419-331-1024 for 24-hour service, or check us out on our website at swartzrestoration.com.